Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to change profile picture in Viber, and now let's dive right in. Now to change profile picture in Viber, first open up your Viber app on your phone. After opening your Viber app, guys, on this interface at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see there's a more button available for us with the three dotted icons at the bottom right. Tap on the more button with the three dotted icons, guys, and you land on this interface where you can see your profile picture at the top, and at the top right corner, guys, there is the pen icon available for us just beside the QR code icon. Tap on that pen icon and you land over here where in order to change a profile picture on Viber, you can simply tap on the camera icon just at the bottom right corner of your profile picture over here, guys. You can see on the profile picture section there's a camera icon for us over here. Tap on that at the camera icon at the right side of the profile picture, and this kind of panel will appear where you will be able to save your photo from gallery or open it from camera, or you can just take a picture from the lenses available on Viber, or you can just simply remove photo. So in order to change a profile picture, guys, I'll be just entering a demo picture, and let's save this picture as a profile picture and let's edit it, guys. And you can see, guys, the moment you tap on the save button at the bottom right corner, you can see the profile picture on Viber will be changed. And with that being said, guys, this is how to change a profile picture on Viber. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.